Hello student, today we will start with 16.6 water management. You have read in the class 6 that in many places a regular supply of water is provided by well-planned pipe system. So we all know that we get water by our municipal corporation. So there is a pipe system so that water is reached to each and every house. When this civic authorities supplies water through pipe, not all of it may reach the destination. So when these pipes are done by the municipal or the civil authorities, not all the destination means जहाँ पानी पहुँचना है, the water where is to be reached. It's not necessary that water reach to that place. You might have seen that water supplies pipe leaking and lot of water gushing out of the pipe. Sometimes on the road you will see that the pipes are leakage, right? So there is a leakage in the pipe and water is gushing out. So water is coming out. So it is in the responsibilities of civic authorities to prevent such wastage of precious water. So when there is a leakage of the water or when the pipelines are not in the proper condition, then it is in the authorities or the responsibilities of the municipal corporation to repair it and prevent the wastage of the water, because water is precious. Mismanagement or the wastage of water wastage may take place at the level of individual also. All of us, knowing or unknowingly, waste water. We all waste water knowingly, जानबूझ के, और unknowingly, मतलब के अनजान होके. In two ways we waste water. Waste water while brushing teeth. When we are brushing our teeth, we keep the tap open. While shaving or bathing, we took too much of water while bathing also. Washing and during many other activities, because we all know that all our activities are dependent on water and all this activity require water, and so we are wasting water knowingly or unknowingly during this activity. Leaking taps is another source of huge water wastage. If your taps are leakage, so if it then also we are wasting a water. We waste water as though we do not need the water next time. We waste water in the manner that next time we will not need a water. So we should not waste water. We have seen that the most of the waters that we get as in a rainfall just flow away. We know that whenever the water, we know that what is the source of water? The source of the water is our rainwater. And rainwater just flow away. We are not storing that rainwater. If we store this rainwater, then it will be good. This is the waste of precious natural resource. So if the rainwater is not stored in the dams or in the check dams, then it is a waste of our precious natural resource. The rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. If we got a rainwater, then we can recharge the groundwater. This refers to the water harvesting. Underline this thing. This is referred as water harvesting, or it is known as rainwater harvesting. So if we recharge the groundwater level, then it is called water harvesting or rainwater harvesting, about which you have been learned in your class 6. Now find out if the building in your neighborhood have water harvesting system installed. So in your neighborby, you see that is there any rainwater harvesting system installed? We have at many places in India an age-old practice of water storage and water recharge like Bawris. Bawri was a traditional way of collecting water. So if you know that in the ancient times the king used to make Bawris in the village, and this is a traditional way of collecting water. In this we used to collect water. With the time the Bawris fell into the disuse and garbage started filling in the reservoirs. We know that in the Bawris now there is no fresh water. Now only there is garbage, and they have been using in the form of gutters. This has been disused. They are not making the proper use of the Bawris. However, because of the acute water shortage, people in this area have to rethink. So, whichever areas got a Bawris, then they need to rethink, because now we are facing a water shortage. The Bawris are being reviewed. Today, the situation is that in spite of scanty rains, this place are managing their water need well. So if this place where there are boundaries and the way water is stored in the proper manner, then even if the rainfall is less, they will manage the water that is needed in the time. Farmer use water in the field can be also use water economically. We know that farmers are dependent on water for their crops, right? And how farmer have to manage the water economically? How they will do? Maybe you have heard of deep irrigation. What is deep irrigation? Drip irrigation is a technique of watering plant by making a use of narrow tubing which dwells the water directly at the base of the water. So what is deep irrigation? वहाँ छोटी छोटी पाइपें बना जाती है, ट्यूब्स बना जाती है जो डायरेक्टली किसको पानी देती है? सिर्फ प्लांट को. सो द वाटर इज नॉट वेस्टेज, देयर इज नो वाटर wastage. So that is called as a drip irrigation. Now this is the photo of your drip. You can see the narrow pipings, and these pipings are giving the water only to the base of the plant. So there is no wastage of water, right? So this is the photo where you can see how is the drip irrigation is done. Now what role you can play? So what is the role that you can play? Have you ever shown a concern if you saw a tap leaking in your home, in your house, school or any other place? Leaking taps waste a lot of water. So whenever you find that there is a wastage of water, make a point that the leak pipe is repaired or mended first or early. You must make effort to stop the leakage. लीकेज को हमें स्टॉप करना चाहिए. लीकेज मतलब कि पानी जैसे टपकता रहता है ना टैप में से, तो उसको हमें बंद करना चाहिए बिकॉज दैट इज एन अ वेस्टेज ऑफ वाटर. There are numbers of ways where you can adapt to minimize the wastage of water. There are numerous ways that you can minimize the wastage of water. पानी को बिगाड़ना नहीं चाहिए. Let's begin. We have given a few examples. Add one. So there are few examples and you can add one. One, turn off the tap while brushing. When you are brushing your teeth, turn off the taps. Now mop the floor. Mop the floor में पोछा लगाओ. Instead of washing, directly wash मत करो. You mop the floor. So this way you can use the water wise habit. So you can use water wisely and you should not waste water. Now effect of the water scarcity on plants. You have seen a potted plant wilting and ultimately drying up if they did not get water even for the few days. You know that you got a plants at your home, and if this potted plant is not water for few days, then what happened? They will dry in the few days. They will be dying or drying, right? If the water is not given to the plant. You have already learned in the chapter number 1 that plants need water. We all know that plants need water to get the nutrients from the soil to prepare their food. So to get the nutrients from the soil also and to prepare their food, plants need water. Just imagine the consequence if the water is not available to the plant. What happens if water is not available to the plant? The green character of the plant shall be lost. So if there is no plant in planet, then the green character of this our planet will be lost. This may means the end of all life. What happens? Our life will end if there is no plant in our planet Earth. This may means that the end of all life for a world without a plants. So our life will end if there is no plant in our planet Earth. And if there is no plant, what will happen? If there is no plant, then no food. We cannot eat any food. There will be no oxygen and not enough rain and innumerable other problems. So if there is no water, life does not exist. So this is the completion of your chapter number. The chapter that we have started, this is chapter number 16. So this is the completion. And what is this? Hamara jal, hamara jeevan. So if there is water, then only life exists. Now I will give you the question answers in the form of PDF. So kindly write this question answers in your notebook. I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you, children.